Hello guys and welcome to a new Python programming video, and today in this video it will be maybe a little bit more shorter and it's a little bit more different because now I have already done the script and programming for this exercise, and this exercise will be about simple AI or simple AI chatbot or just normal chatbot that you use in Messenger, Facebook and Instagram or any simple website. So what you can see here, and I will go through what we be learning from this exercise and what we will do. So here you can see the simple script and programming to just make a simple chatbot. So what's happening here right now is that we first write name equals input, then we write whatever we want the chatbot to say first when you activate the program. So here it says, "Hello, I am a simple chatbot. What is your name?" It asks. And then you write in after printf whatever you want to say, because after it has says hello and said it's a simple chatbot and asks for your name, you will say whatever your name is. And after you have written your name, it will say nice to meet you and your name. So after that, it is answer equals input. It says, "How are you?" Then you answer how you are, if you're good or bad. But I hopefully hope that everyone is feeling good. So after it is if when you say you are good, it will print and say that's very good to hear, and your name from the beginning. So it's very short, very simple. You can make it much more advanced with much more questions and more different answers. Or if you give it it says how are you and you say bad, it asks, oh, that's bad. Why are you feeling bad? Or if you say you're good, that's very good to hear, and your name. Many different things. It can give you answers to different questions you maybe have about something, but you have to written it down into the script programming in the beginning. So now if we, after we have done all this, name, input, hello, I'm a simple chatbot, what is your name, print, nice to meet you, your name, answer, input, how are you, print, that's very good to hear, your name. You just click on run module, and then it comes up here and it says, hello, I am a simple chatbot, what is your name? And then you just give it whatever your name is and you say, like me now, TT. Says, nice to meet you, TT. How are you? And you just write good. And it says, that's very good to hear, TT. So as you can see, it's a very simple and it's a very fun exercise to do, and you can make it much more bigger, more advanced, more fun. Anything is a very good exercise and good programming to do to learn, especially now in these times with many things like AI. So yeah, I hope you guys very much liked this video and found it very useful. It's a very short Python video, but I just wanted to make it and show you guys this video because and show you how to program to make just a simple chatbot or AI, because in these times, like I said, it's very good to know or to do, and it's very easy and good to learn on your own if you're not an expert on Python like I wasn't in the beginning. So yeah, but I hope you guys liked this video, and see you later.